Hey, Jenny Bradley here with Triangle Smart Divorce in Cary, North Carolina. Today I'm talking about health insurance and divorce. Not the most exciting of topics, but a critical one to talk about so you know what to be aware of. Before I do that though, let me caution you. No law says that your spouse has to cover you on their employer's health insurance plan, even if you're happily married. But we know many people do. So the question is, what are you going to do about health insurance if your soon-to-be ex currently covers you? Let's start with the easier option first. Health insurance between separation and divorce. If your spouse's employment-based health insurance covered you, you can keep your insurance up until your divorce, so long as either your spouse agrees or a court orders continued coverage. However, your coverage will end once your divorce is final. Most spouses will agree to cover their spouse even after separation, but sometimes you may need to offer to pay some of the premiums to keep that benefit. And of course, if you're in court because you can't agree, then the judge will decide who pays for the insurance. Now, what if your spouse loses their insurance coverage before you're divorced? Well, your options are the same as they are after divorce. Let's walk through the 4 most common coverage options for after divorce. Option 1, COBRA. COBRA conjures up a lot of images, but it's not just a creature you never want to see on your front porch. It's a federal program that allows you to continue your health insurance coverage under your spouse's work-related policy up to 36 months. But if your spouse works for a smaller company, then COBRA may not be an option for you. However, there is a lesser-known similar program under North Carolina law that allows the continuation of coverage for up to 18 months. Now, both of these laws provide reasonably seamless continuity in coverage, but they can be extremely expensive and for some, cost prohibitive. Many insurance premiums are paid by employers, but under COBRA, you will pay the entire amount plus an administration fee. And the program carries stringent and sometimes unforgiving rules, such as loss of coverage permanently if your first payment is late. Keep these caveats in mind when deciding whether COBRA is the right choice for you. Some clients opt to choose COBRA for an unlimited period while they explore other options. Option 2, private plans. Since divorce is considered a major life event, individuals can seek private coverage outside of the typical yearly open enrollment period. Private insurance plans tend to be more economical than COBRA, and you may wish to purchase a high deductible health plan. These plans carry higher deductibles than traditional plans and tend to work better for those without any significant health issues. While these plans often have lower monthly premiums, you are generally required to pay all out-of-pocket expenses until you meet the deductible. Be careful with these if you're in poor health, because your medical expenses can quickly become quite costly and leave you in a financial pinch. Option 3, coverage under the Affordable Care Act. You can consider coverage under the ACA. These policies are sorted by metal tiers: bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. These tiers distinguish cost sharing between purchaser and insurance provider. Selecting a plan under the ACA can be quite overwhelming, and we can get you in contact with an insurance agent to help you sort out your options and your risk tolerance. Option 4, Medicaid or Medicare. Medicaid provides health insurance care coverage to qualifying low-income individuals and families, making it accessible to a few clients who have low income. Medicare, on the other hand, serves people age 65 and older who have worked the equivalent of 10 years and are eligible for Social Security benefits. You can contact your local Medicaid or Medicare office to determine your eligibility for benefits, if any. We can also refer you to an estate planning attorney to help you with your long-term care planning options. We know it can be overwhelming to figure out which health insurance is best for you. This is one of the many topics we cover in our vision planning service when folks are considering a divorce. Insurance issues can become complicated fast, and you don't have to figure them out alone. Give us a call and let us help you sort out your insurance options and many other issues surrounding separation.